And today's find is this beautiful 2004 Dodge Ram quad cab, long bed, 5.9, high output, 4-wheel drive, SLT, 2 local owners since new, Oregon owned, clean title, Carfax certified, never been in any accidents or damages ever. This Ram has never had a fifth wheel or a gooseneck installed. Has a spray-in bed liner with a perfect bed that's never had any holes in it. The undercarriage of this Ram is 100% rust-free, 100% corrosion-free. The paint is in excellent condition with no clear coat issues, no fading, no peeling. There is no dents or scratches at all that I can see. Maybe possibly a couple little tiny rock chips that have been touched up, but there is no dents, there's no scratches, there's nothing that you'd expect or think, oh, a truck has got 165,000 miles on it. Not at all. Highway miles, very well taken care of, always stored inside the gentleman's shop, and never been driven in mud or snow at all. We just installed these nice upgrades on it. 3-inch leveling kit all the way around, 3 inch in the back, 1 inch in the front. No, 3 inch in the front, 1 inch in the back. Brand new set of 35-inch BF Goodrich KO2s in the 10-ply rating. You got factory extendable towing mirrors, paint match canopy, bushwhacker fender flares in gloss black, and upgraded Eagle wheels. Now let's open the tailgate here, show you this bed. Spray-in bed liner, and like I said, doesn't look like it's ever had a fifth wheel or a gooseneck at all. I don't know why it's not clear. Let's see here. The bed is in extremely clean condition. It's not beat up, dented up, banged up at all whatsoever. And talking to the gentleman, he bought it in 2010. He is the second owner and owned it since 2010, and that's when he put the canopy on it. He's never hauled anything in the bed whatsoever. Take a look at these jambs or this tailgate. Just extremely clean. It literally could pass for a truck that's 1 year old. Only scratch I found on the truck is right here on the tailgate. You got a little scratch right here from probably closing it. Tailgate in extremely clean condition, no dents, no issues. The bumpers look like they are brand spanking new. There's not a nick. He is so careful, he's never backed up against anything. Truck doesn't have even trailer brakes on it. Never hauled anything really in it. Oregon truck, rust free. Wait till I show you this undercarriage and this frame. Take a look at this frame. There's no corrosion. This is not coated. This is not painted. This is cleaned up by the detail shop and put the shiny stuff on it. As you can see, look at the brackets, look at the edges, look at the bolts. 100% rust-free, corrosion-free. This truck has not been altered. It's never had a tuner or upgraded exhaust or intake or any modifications at all. 100% as it came from Dodge. Enough with the undercarriage, I'm pretty sure you got the idea. Now, part of the leveling kit, I also installed brand new BILSTEIN 5100 shocks all the way around. Nothing cheap, nothing entry level, all top level stuff. New tie rod ends, new tie rods, new drag link. This truck drives with one finger at 80 miles an hour. Just perfect. It's got new brakes in the front, new rear brakes, brake fluid flush, fresh oil change, air filter, new wipers, and just, I think, less than about 5,000 miles ago, the owner had the transmission completely overhauled and rebuilt with a complete shift kit and a heavy-duty billet torque converter and a complete rebuild. It was almost about $5,000. So this is ready for the new owner, new home. This will do the job, no issues whatsoever. Take a look at this interior. Literally brand spanking new. There's new foam, new seat cushion, So there's no posters that's worn or bad at all. Headliner is like brand spanking new. Only modifications on the inside. The owner upgraded the stereo with a very nice Sony stereo. It's got Sirius radio, Bluetooth, hands-free, and there's your microphone. Perfect dash. Let's go up in here. Dash is not cracked or broken like most of these. It's a common issue. This is a non-smoker interior. Never been smoked in. Never had any pets inside it or had any electrical modifications. It's just the real deal. 6-passenger seating. I'll take you to the back and show you. Let's get it started and we'll show you under the hood. Odometer reads 165,828. All right. Turn the lights on. Start out with the stereo since I like the song. Never been smoked in. There's cup holders. Everything is intact. Manual 4-wheel drive shifter. Light it on. Horn works. There's the wipers. We installed brand new wipers. Let's go on the faster speed. You'll see it as red. I didn't grab it right away. Let's go on the faster speed and on fast. Signals. Okay, we'll turn the lights on and the hazards. Overhead console. Let me pop the hood so we can go under the hood. And next we'll come back and check out the doors. Let's go back here. There's the headlights on and the flashers. Newer factory Mopar batteries. All new fluids, your washer fluid. Batteries serviced. These bolts have never been turned on the front end. Literally like brand spanking new. There's no corrosion. There's no issues whatsoever. This is just your 100% stock truck right here. This truck has zero blow-by. No blow-by whatsoever. This is from the rattle, as I'm sure you know. And some guys like to test it this way. There's as good as it gets, as healthy as it gets. This is a truck that was taken and serviced always by the Dodge dealer. I have all the records on Carfax, over 28 service records. I do have the record for the transmission rebuilt. Every nut, every seal, everything has been gone through and done. And the precision billet torque converter as well. All the steering stuff, all original manuals, books. This is the remote for the stereo as well. All the extra keys. So the truck comes with 3 keys as well. Let's turn this off, close this, since I'm here. Okay, have a look at all this. There's the 2 tie rods, etc. New sway bar links as well. Let's go to the back. I'm sure all the lights on the back are working as well. Rear BILLSTEIN 5100 shocks. License plate bulbs are new. Look at this, rust free. It's never been off-road. It's never been in the mud or snow at all. It's never been modified. This is just as nice and well taken care of as they get. Let's take a look here on the passenger side. If you're looking for a crew cab, long bed, 5'9", high output, and don't want to break the bank with my usual super low mileage stuff, this would be the next best thing you can get. It's got some miles on it, but it's been babied and well cared for. It's never hauled anything. There's no gooseneck, no fifth wheel. Hasn't been any accidents. 100% rust free, adult owned, and extremely clean condition. All weather mats all the way around. Carpet is like new. If you didn't know, I mean, literally you can look at this truck and think it's got 40, 50,000 miles. Nobody would ever tell the difference. Jack's never been on the ground. Your toolkit. Let's test out the windows since we're on this side. As the windows go up, windows down. With all the suspension upgrades, with the new shocks, with the new 35-inch BFGs, KO2s, this thing just drives like a dream. Let's check out. Let me hold the phone good. Okay, here's the driver's window. Up at ease, down at ease, one touch. There's the passenger window. Rolls up at ease. And down at ease. There's the passenger rear window. All the tracks, everything has been inspected, lubricated, serviced, etc. Driver's rear. Okay, what else we got here? Let's check out this AC. Zoom in on the mirror. I'm gonna rev it up. Look at that. There's no smoke. I can lower the music down. Doesn't get much better than that. Oh, it didn't turn. Check out the mirrors. So there's the left side. There's left and right. Up and down. Let's look at the passenger side. Turn the hazards off. Okay. Right, left, up, and down. Let's zoom back up. There's the dash. There's no warning lights. There's no issues at all. There's a one finger test all the way to the left. There's all the way to the right. Again, all the way to the left. There is no play in this steering wheel at all. It's not your average, oh, it's a Dodge rolling down, going straight sideways on the steering wheel or so much play. Nope. This drives like new with zero play. We'll test out the lighter, we'll test out the music. Let's test out the air conditioning. Oh, and I didn't show you. Look at that. Look how clean this is. Nothing's ever been used. Here's the dome lights. Here's the inside. Turn that down. Look at all the dash lights. And here we'll dim down, dim up. All right, let's check the AC. I hate these Dodges, they're not easy to get the laser inside. This thing is blowing super cold. I just need to find, this thing is in the 20s. I just gotta find the right spot because it is blowing super cold. That's more like it right there. Like it. So AC is blowing super cold, as you see. Love this manual 4-wheel drive actuator. There we are in 4 low. Looked over there. And there's 4 high. Moving back. Let's go back to 2 high. So there's that. Stereo sounds good. All right, let's talk about the good stuff. Finally, I can qualify this Ram for new car financing. What that means is I can qualify it for the same terms and same rates and same advances as if you were buying a 2022. So I can offer up to 84 months and up to as low as 7%, obviously on approved credit, depending on your credit. I am the only one that can finance this 21, 22-year-old Ram for new car financing. Same interest rate, same terms. Standard credit union financing. There is no early payoff penalty. This is just a special program I've created with the bank, with the credit union, to offer on these pre-emission rare finds. Your bank, your credit union, USAA, Navy Federal, nobody will finance this truck up to 84 months, and nobody will finance it with 0 down or for the value, the true value of it. Number 2, I can ship this truck right here, right from my showroom, right to your front door. Whether you live in Alaska, whether you live in Hawaii, whether you live in any of the islands, whether you live in New York, Pennsylvania, Chicago, Utah, Nevada, Arizona, California, anywhere in the country, I can help you ship it right from my showroom, right to your front door. I deal with shippers on the daily basis. Been shipping cars for 20 years. I know how to vet them. I only use insured, bonded, A+ rated transporters. Let me help you. Buying from me is easier than buying from your local dealer. You can do it while you're sitting at home. We handle all your titling, all your registration. You only pay for where you live. You can check out, I have 95 detailed photos of this Ram on my website, jordanmotorsports.com. JORDANMOTORSPORTS.com. Yes, this is the undercarriage. Can you believe this? This truck is 21-year-old diesel truck that has been a perfect pavement princess. Very well serviced, all service records since new, all books, manuals. There's not a speck of corrosion, there's not a speck of rust, there's no accidents, and completely freshly serviced with everything that you'd want to do and more. It is ready to go to work, it is ready for you to travel the country, it is ready for you to do anything. Please don't comment on YouTube. I only use YouTube to get my videos to the website. So give me a call, 503-213-4434. Or contact us, jordanmotorsports.com. Talk to you soon.